Namalinga Testile. Hello, Namaste, and Testile to everyone. Okay, so in this video, in this lesson, I'm gonna talk about how to pronounce Tibetan names. So let us start. Now, before we start, I want to tell you something that you can hear natural background music, so please forgive me. All right, let's go. The first name is very common, so many people have this name. Tenzin. In English, it is pronounced as Tenzin, but the real and correct pronunciation of this name is Tenzin. Okay, it's a common surname, I think. Tenzin Shru or Tenzin Chile. So many people are there. The next name is Pasang. Pasang. Okay. So Pasang Hamo is a singer. I know. And then Pasang Tsiring. So there's so many names. Next name is spelled Lhamo. So some people will pronounce like Lamo, but it's not Lamo. No one pronounces like that. But it is pronounced as Hamo, L plus H combination, Hamo. Okay, so the next name is the name of one history. It's the history of, it's very, everyone knows this person. So it is Thonmi. So people will pronounce like Tonmi or Thonmi, but it's pronounced as Thumi. So Thumi Sambota. You know whom I'm talking about if you have studied about Tibetan literature. But if you have not, I will tell you in short that Thumi Sambota is the one who created Tibetan alphabet. Okay. Next name is Namgyal. Not Namgyal. So L, if you add La, basically a rule. It's an advanced rule, but I'm gonna tell you, if you add La at any right next to the any consonant, it will change to the Jingbo vowel. So Yala Yel, it will not pronounce as Yal, it will pronounce as Yelka branch. So Namgil, so it will pronounce like that. Next is Dawa. Dawa. What is Dawa? Dawa means moon. Alright. So the next name would be Tashi. Po Karatata Shaki Vishisashi. Tashi. That's not Tashi, it is Tashi. That's another common name. Right? So next name is Dsering. Tsering. So basically it's Tshering. Tsering. So it's Tsering. The name is pronounced like Tsering, not Tsering. No. The next name is Thupten. So it is not Thupten, it is Thupten Rapge. Next name is Rapge. It is Rapge, not Rapge. Rapge. That's the correct pronunciation of that name. Next name would be Thrinle. It is pronounced as Chinle, not Trinli or Trinal. It is Chinle. And the next name is Phurbu, Purbu, not Furbu, Purbu. Yeah, I think to end this video because there are so many names I have covered, right? So if you want a part 2, just let me know of this video so I can make a part 2 of this video, right? Yeah, and this channel I help you learn the Tibetan language effectively and easily and funny way and deeply explanation. Yeah, thanks so much.